Antarctica, the frozen continent. Antarctica is also known as the White Continent, the Snow Desert, the Polar Desert, and the Frozen Continent. Mainland Antarctica was discovered in 1820, but exploration was limited to the coastal regions only. In December 1911, a Norwegian explorer, Roald Amundsen, reached the South Pole first and planted the Norwegian flag on the South Pole. After 2 months, in January 1912, a British explorer, Captain Robert Scott, also reached the South Pole. Admiral Byrd of the U.S. Navy was the first to fly over the South Pole in 1928 to 1929. Countries like Norway, Britain, the USA, Russia, France, Japan, and India have gone to Antarctica to conduct explorations. These countries have established their own research stations in different parts of the continent. Example, the McMurdo station was set up by the United States and Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri by India. The Indian Antarctic program started in 1981 when the first Indian expedition was led by Dr. S. Z. Kazim reached Antarctica in January 1982. He and his team set up the first unmanned station, Dakshin Gangotri. Natural vegetation and wildlife. In Antarctica, the extreme cold conditions and lack of rainfall combined with a thick ice cover do not allow plants to grow. Vegetation. The vegetation mainly consists of mosses, fungi, lichens, and only two species of flowering plants: Antarctic hairgrass Deschampsia antarctica and Antarctic pearlwort Colobanthus quitensis. In some parts, a few flower-bearing plants like the berry-bearing shrubs such as blueberries, cranberries, and wild currants are seen. Wildlife. Though the land is barren, the sea surrounding Antarctica contains a variety of animal life like krill, squid, jellyfish, arrowworms, comb jellies, snails, salps, seals, walrus, whales, penguins, and seabirds like skuas, gulls, petrels, terns, and albatrosses. Some examples of Antarctic vegetation and wildlife. Vegetation. Antarctic pearlwort, Colobanthus quitensis. Antarctic pearlwort is one of the two native flowering plants found in the Antarctic region. Its length is about 5 cm or 2 inches tall. It has a cushion-like habitat which gives it a moss-like appearance. In Antarctica, due to climate change, more seeds are germinating. Research found that Antarctic pearlwort spread nearly 10 times faster during the period 2009 through 2018 compared to between 1960 and 2009. Antarctic hairgrass, Deschampsia antarctica. Antarctic hairgrass is the only other flowering plant in the region. It has been recorded by the Guinness Book of World Records as the southernmost flowering plant. In 1981, a specimen was found on the Antarctic Peninsula's refuge islands. Since 2009, there has been an increase in the growth of the plant due to the rise of air temperature. Wildlife. Seals, Pinnipedia. Seals are semi-aquatic mammals that are in a group called pinnipeds, which means fin-footed. They search for their food with the help of coarse and continuously growing whiskers. Seal sweeps its upper lip front and back to detect fish in murky water using their sensitive whiskers. Seals have a very keen sense of smell in the air, which allows them to detect predators. Blue whale, Balaenoptera musculus. The blue whale is the largest animal known to exist. It is 29.9 meters large and weighs 199 tons. A blue whale can hold its breath up to 90 minutes. A blue whale can reach up to 180 decibels. They can also sing songs which sound like spooky humming. However, approximately only to 25,000 of these gentle giants remain in the wild today. Penguins. Penguins are the most commonly known Antarctic animals. They are flightless birds, but they are expert swimmers and divers. They have stiff flipper like wings. They eat krill, squid, and fish. They have a long bill, short legs, and webbed feet. There are 7 species of penguins that can be found in Antarctica: Adelie penguin, Gentoo penguins, chinstrap penguins, king penguins, rockhopper penguins, macaroni penguins, and emperor penguins. Thank you.